Okay, so I want to show you real quick a little tutorial on how to download a document from Canvas, print it off so you can do your work by hand, and then upload it back into Canvas so you can submit that for a homework assignment. So what I want to do is share my screen so you can watch me go through this process. So here I am in my Canvas class. I've got it set up so it's in the student view. That's this big pink bar down at the bottom. So just pay no attention to that. So of course, the first thing you'll need to do is find your assignment. The assignments are all in the modules. So you can either click the link in the sidebar or click the link right here, however you'd like to get the modules. But that's the first thing you need to do. Once you're in the module, then you'll need to find the page for the particular assignment that you're doing. Right now, I'm doing the assignment that's written. So I'm going to choose this particular assignment here. And for this assignment, everyone's different, of course, but for this one, there's some directions, there's a video to watch, and then there's the actual assignment, okay? So what you'll need to do for this is you will need to print off this document. So for that, I'm just gonna, just like anything else, I'm gonna open it up. You can't see this, it opened it up in a different window. And since I'm recording this window, you can't see where it's at, but that's okay. And then I would print it off. After I print it off, then I would fill it in. One thing to mention real quick, let me show you how I would fill it in. One thing is as I fill it in, just like any other assignment that I ever do, I want to make sure that I've got my name and everything on it. Now this particular assignment, because it's a survey, it's got a spot right there for my name. So I would just fill that in like usual. If this was a normal assignment, then up here in the corner, I would write my name. But for me personally, in my class, I would ask you, please make sure that your name is on every assignment. Also make sure that what hour you are in is on every assignment. So if you're in 5th hour, then I would write 5th hour. If you are not assigned to a classroom at Midland High, but are instead completing this assignment through the Virtual Academy, then instead of writing the 5th hour, then you would just write the word virtual. And then you might choose to put the date on your assignments. For me personally, that's not important, but if it helps you to stay organized, feel free to do that. So I would ask you to put your name, your hour, and maybe your date on every assignment that you do for our class. Make sure you've got that done. And then you go ahead and fill in all the rest of the stuff. Obviously, right now, you don't need to watch me fill that in. So let's just pretend I've got that done. So after I have filled in the survey, after I've completed the assignment, then to get this into Canvas, I'm just going to grab my phone and take a picture of the assignment on my phone. So, oops. Take a picture. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to get out so I can see the whole piece of paper in my picture. And that's going to be important, right? You'll want to make sure that you can see the whole document in the picture. And so I've done that. So I can see the whole document in the picture. For this one, if I wanted to just get the top half, that's done. But obviously make sure if the assignment fills the whole page that you have filled the whole page as well. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to do. Then the next thing I want to do is get this someplace where I can share it. Now this is going to depend a little bit on how comfortable you are with your phone and what kind of phone you have. What I would do personally is I would hit the share button on my phone. This is the way that I would choose to do this. There are lots of different ways. And then I would do one of two things. Either I would send it to me as an attachment in a mail message. So I would just email it to myself, and then I could save it on my computer if I do that. Or the other thing, which I think is a little bit easier, is I can choose to share it right in Drive. And I can just add it to my Google Drive by choosing that. So there's my Google Drive right there. So I could just add that in, and now it's on my Google Drive. Okay, so that's an option. There is possibly one other option that maybe you would choose. Again, it's a little up to you and depends on your phone. But if you have added, these are really hard to see, I apologize for that. But if you've added on your phone the Canvas app. You can't tell what that is, but this is the Canvas app. If you've added the Canvas app to your phone, then you can also navigate right to the assignment in the app, and you can upload it from here. And so obviously I can't do it because this is my where I'm a student and not where I'm a teacher. So I'm going to switch back to my computer right now. Let me do that. All right, so here we are, back on my computer. So if you are in the phone app or if you're on your computer, either way, this page is going to look very, very similar, almost identical in both cases. So now I'm ready. I've got that file saved in my Google Drive, or I'm just going to upload it in the app, whichever. I need to find the Submit Assignment button. Now, personally, I don't like the fact that you've got to download the assignment here, and then you have to go all the way back up to find the button to submit it. I think that's confusing, but there it is. It's way at the top. I hit the Submit Assignment button, and then it pushes me back down to the bottom. Again, I'm not sure why Canvas designed it this way, but whatever. So here you go. Now, if you have it as a file, whether it's on your phone or whether you emailed it to yourself and now it's on your computer, if you have it as a file, then you just go to the File Upload section, choose File, and then wherever that is, you find it, you upload it, you're good. If you saved it to Google Drive, then you go into your Google Drive. It won't let me do this because I'm pretending, I'm masquerading, I'm pretending to be a student, so it won't show you my actual Google Drive. But you can just select it in your Google Drive. So I'm just going to do it from here instead. I didn't actually upload it onto my computer, so I'm just going to choose some random photograph that happens to be on my computer right now. And I'm going to upload that instead. If you have a situation where your assignment is more than 1 page long, you just take 2 or 3 pictures, and then you hit this Add Another File so you can upload all the different pictures of all the different pages. So that's easy to do. Once you've got it there, you hit Submit Assignment, and you're done. So this is how you upload an assignment into, oh, look at that, I get confetti and flames. How exciting. Anyway, this is how you upload an assignment into Canvas when you have to handwrite the assignment on a piece of paper. So I hope that was helpful information for you. Go ahead and make sure that you can do that. You'll have to do it quite a lot in our class. That's kind of the nature of math, right? It's hard to type math. So you'll do a lot of download, write it on paper, upload kind of situation. So there you go. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.